So at the same time, when I was living in New York City, I also I lived in an apartment, and our landlord and landlady, I guess they would be a land couple, they lived above us, and our landlady was, well, how should I put this? She was annoying. She was, like, for one thing, she didn't really respect our privacy very well, and she just barged into our apartment every day and just repeated herself and closed the windows and blah blah. And her husband, on the other hand, was very quiet. In fact, he never spoke. So I think he had just given up. And so, as a songwriter, it's my job to give voice to the voiceless. So this is a song from his perspective, the Landlady song. Oh, you're breaking my spirit and you're hurting my ears, little darling, when I hold you close. You have lain in our bed since the day we were wed, but when you're sleeping, I like you the most. 'Cause your voice is a needle on a record that's broke, the only one, babe, that you ever play. And these days it skips more, and it was not that good before. Oh Lord, help me love you, babe. Long ago I was foolish, long ago I was young. You were a waitress on Route 13. Back then you had nice legs, and the rest is just history. Now your voice is a needle on a record that's broke, the only one, baby, that you ever played. And these days it skips more, and it was not good before. Oh Lord, help me love you, babe. Through thick and thin, that's the way that we swore. But you ain't been thin since the children were born. Oh Lord, how I try. Yeah, you know that I do, but it ain't easy loving you. Everybody, 'cause your voice is a needle on a record that's broke, the only one, babe, that you ever played. And these days it skips more, and it was not good before. Oh Lord, help me love you, babe. Oh Lord,